This is Mr. Mark Binder. He's an author and a storyteller, and he's here today to tell us some great stories.
She went, unga, munga, bunga, pew! And the black plastic garbage bag transformed into an amazing Versace gown. This is beautiful! Yes.
Pre-K through 8 school, we were looking for someone who could talk to and inspire and excite students as young as 4 and as old as 11 and 12, and we were really satisfied and happy that Mark joined us.
I'm not going to eat it. You are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Has anybody ever had this conversation at home? No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not.
It was awesome. He was so excited about it.
There was a merchant by the name of Abu Hassan.
Okay, well, I thought it was absolutely delightful. I thought the kids were very entranced by the stories, very animated, loved all the voices.
And it also brought thought to my mind what I was going to do for my science project in 5th grade.
I liked you telling the stories and how you acted it out.
I want to hear more about the bully and the shrimp.
And he went, Toro, Toro. Adam had been to Spain. He had seen the bullfights. Toro, Toro. And Butch had watched a lot of cartoons. So Butch put his hands up to his head and he went, phew, phew. He was pretending he was a bull. Phew, phew. Adam had the cape up. Toro, everybody was watching. Toro, it was magnificent.